I'm going to show you how to calibrate your extruder's E-steps. If not tuned properly, you may deal with over or under extrusion. This is when the printer is either given too much or too little filament. Once that's done, you can make even further adjustments in your slicer settings. It doesn't really make sense to mess with these settings if your extruder is not properly calibrated. That is because your E-step motor makes a certain amount of rotations before extruding 1 millimeter of filament to the nozzle. And if you don't know what that number is, you're just going to make things worse. On some models, you can change your E-steps directly on the 3D printer itself. On others, you'll need a PC. My damn hair's looking wild. Alright, time to show you how to calibrate your extruder. You're going to need digital calipers. We'll be using a USB cable that's provided with your printer. It's either blue or white. We're going to be using the Tech 3D printer calibration. A URL link will be in the description. Measure out 120 millimeters and mark it on the roll of filament. And you're going to extrude 100 millimeters of filament. And the reason is because you're going to subtract the difference, the 120 and the 100 that you extruded. And this is pronter face. I just connect and it works on its own, but if it doesn't, just shuffle between the ports and then connect before shuffling between the channels. I'm not going to get into the specifics of what all this does because I just want you to know how to do this because this is what you're only going to be using this for. You're going to type in the command M92 and send that to your printer, and it's going to give you your E-steps, 133. That's what you need. Make sure you got the difference from when you subtracted your extruded 100 from your 120. This is going to be on the Teaching Tech URL. You're going to scroll down. You're going to find this section. You're going to type in your extruder's E-steps reported by the M92 command right here. You're going to type in that difference right here. We're going to leave that just the way it is, and you're going to calculate. You're going to take these two, remember these two guys right here. You're going to type that in, and you're done. You calibrated your E-steps. Congratulations. If you are still having trouble with this, join my Discord. We have an amazing community where we will help you guys out so you can start 3D printing.